How to fix Roblox error code 262. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix Roblox error code 262. So first of all, you can clear cache or temporary files. You can just clear your cache of Roblox. So for that, open up Windows. On the search box, type in run. So once you open up the run, right at the bottom you'll need to type in the configuration, %local app data %, and click on the OK button. After that, it's going to open up the file. So from here you'll need to locate the particular file, and then you'll need to delete all of the cache that's on your device. So select it all and then just locate and then tap the bin icon from the top right hand side corner, and then that's going to clear your cache. After doing this, try launching to your game and this might be able to fix your issue. If this does not seem to be working, what else you can do is you can also try restarting your computer. Sometimes the issue might be on the device itself, so restarting your device can fix your issue all at once. If this is not working compatibility, you can also try checking the compatibility. So for that, open up a Windows tab and then type in Roblox on the search bar, or you can just go to install and select Roblox. Once you've done that, you need to right click on your mouse once you're Roblox. After that, you'll need to go to compatibility. So for now, I'm just gonna show you with this. After that, you just need to right click on your mouse once you locate the Roblox application, and you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. So from there, you need to go to show more options, go to properties. This is going to take you to the properties page. Here, tap on compatibility and make sure to run this program as an administrator. Click on the apply button and OK. After that, launch your Roblox account and that might be able to fix your issue. If nothing seems to be working, you can also try reinstalling your Roblox application. Once you've done that, you can just re-log in into your account and that might be able to fix your issue. Despite of doing all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, and then you can simply go ahead and contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix Roblox error code 262. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.